Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Demetrius again from Akeelah Traders. So today is March 5th, 2024, and it's about almost 11 a.m. And this is a live running of our trader system. Here we're trading a couple of different pairs. This morning we've got our Scalp Pro Trading um, system that's running here on gold. We usually scalp gold on the smaller time frames, the lower time frames, 1 minute, 5 minutes, something like that. So we've been doing that today, and it's been doing pretty well. There were some news events this morning at I think at 8:45, excuse me, at 9:45 and 10, something like that. So we had a little bit of choppiness here. This is gold on the 5 minute chart I'm looking at right now. Um, but overall it's done pretty well. So we're trading gold, scalping here. We're currently in sales right here, and you see take profit targets in here. Hopefully, we're going to hit a couple of take profit targets here. And we are trading NAS 100. We're running a scalp strategy today on NAS 100 also. So it looks like gold, our system just closed us out of all of these gold sales. It's going to tell me that the maximum um, buy strength is reached here. There's a lot of things that's feeding back on several different pairs that we're running. So if I can catch gold, I can't quite see what it's saying for closing sales. Okay, it's going too fast, but either way, we either reached our profit target there, or it the overall strength looks like was maxed out. The trend here is on the 5 minute, and we're taking trades on the 1 minute, and so that is probably what happened there. But a good thing it did. It's got sense enough to know when you're pushing profits and you get a significant amount of profit, take those profits and get out. So we close out of those right now. Let's see what we're doing in NAS. And it looked like we picked up gold sales again. Um, Here on NAS 100, we are currently in, looks like sales on NAS. Let me go down to the 5 minute on NAS 100. Look a little bit better at what's going on. So yeah, we picked up sales here. We've been in and out of NAS. Did not trade, have it set to trade NAS early on. I just turned it on just a little bit ago. And so we picked up a few sales here. Those are in the negative right now. So that's not looking good for NAS. But this is on the shorter time frame. We're trading this one. This is scalp mode also. So 1 minute. If we're trading down on these low time frames, it's going to be moving back and forth, taking a lot of trades. The higher probability time frames, the more accurate time frames, are the higher ones. But I chose not to trade on those. I'm trading on the smaller ones today. I'm scalping. Um, so that's what's running on those. US 30, we were in a sell here earlier on US 30. We have US 30 set to trade on the 4 hour time frame. And so it's not going to take very many trades here. Looks like today we took, this is the 4 hour chart that we're looking at on US 30. It was in a sell earlier. It closed out, took some profits here, and it's just waiting for another opportunity to get back in. Okay. All right, so that's just a quick update of the system running here. I've got a couple other accounts that's running. I'm not going to switch between all of those today. Right now, my focus was just on this small account where we are scaling it up to copy trades to larger accounts. And so we're particularly interested in the percentage gains on this account because percent is going to be percent. If you were trading a $10,000 account or 50,000 or 100,000, whatever the size of your account is, our overall percent gains is what we're interested in tracking. So let's see overall what we made on this account for today. So we primarily traded gold on here, but there are a few scattered US 30 trades in here, but the bulk of them is gold. Here's a few more US 30 trades. Let's just go to the end here and see. I think we started this account. It was right at $400, 380 or something like that. So it's made about 175 or so in closeout profits today. So that's pretty good for the relative size of the account. So approximately $400 account, that's about 45% gain or so today. And so if you're scaling it, once again, scale it according to the size of your account. 45% would have been 45%. So we could have potentially had 40+% gains on the size of your account. But this one here, we're using very aggressive strategies, scalping time frames. So we're only copying trades to accounts that are willing to handle, that kind of a risk, that kind of volatility. But that's a good snapshot for now. I'm not going to make this video very long, just showing how the system is running. Taking trades, as you saw over here, is managing trades. It's taking our entries, taking our exits, deciding whether to take another trade like we got in this one sell here on gold. It did that. It's scanning. It's not taking another sell yet unless it sees that gold is still going to continue to sell. If it does not, then the only trade that's at risk is the first one. If the momentum continues, we'll take additional trades and manage those accordingly. Okay. All right. So hopefully this was a good, just a short update on how things are running. There are a few other pairs that we're trading in here, but again, I'm not going to get into all of that today. Just we've got plenty of videos showing the system running, trading several pairs, and those kinds of things, so you guys can check those out. Okay, all right. We'll likely post this on YouTube, so please like our channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can see when we post new things here, but we're just giving you an overall view of how our system is working. I didn't say much about the dashboards behind here, but we've got dashboards running in different charts. And so while the trades are running, you're able to pull up the dashboard and take manual control if you choose to. You can override this to say close all of my gold trades or close all of my trades, regardless of the pair. I can take partials here. I can move break evens, those kinds of things. So we've highlighted that in other videos as well. But take a look at that. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave us some comments if you have any questions, or send us a message. We'll be glad to get back to you. Okay. See you guys next time.